automatically make a video using VO3 and update it on all the social media platform using Rotato. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I have already run this so far, and let me show you what video we have generated. Okay, so it has given us the URL. This is the URL, as you can see. We need to copy it and we can paste it. We can also see it from here, but let's paste the URL and see how the video turned out.
Always check the wind before you cross a pass. Trust me, it saves a lot of trouble.
Okay, so this is our video. I think it's pretty good and it's very cool stuff, I think. So this is a video that is generated by VO3. What we needed to do, these videos are very booming among people, and I also see a lot of these kind of videos on my Instagram, YouTube. So that's why I thought, why not make an agent for that? So firstly, this agent is divided into three parts. First part include generating script and prompt with AI. Okay, and the second is creating the video using our VO3. Okay, and the third is publish video to social media. I'm using Potato API. You can use any other thing also. Okay, so let's start and let me show you what we can do and how we are going to build it. So firstly, I have scheduled it because I use a schedule trigger because I wanted to run it every of the 24 hours or every one day. So that's why I have included a schedule trigger here. I have set it. You can set it according to your convenience, like days has to be 1 midnight and whatever. Okay. And after that, we are going to get to our AI int. It's basically we are using it to generate video concept. What does it mean? It's like it's going to give it an idea. Okay, so what the video is going to be about, something which is going on in the industry or something which is most likely to get viral. Okay, so this is the prompt that you are an AI designed to generate one impressive, realistic idea based on the user provided topic. Okay, so your output must be formatted as a JSON array because if it's not JSON, it will not pass on to it. And rules only written one idea at a time. The user will provide a key topic. Okay, that can be anything. If you connect it to the your Telegram or your WhatsApp, then it will give answer according to that. Okay, the idea must be under 13 words to to increase the efficiency and describe an interesting and viral worthy movement, action, or event related to the provided topic and can be surreal as you get, doesn't have to be real world, involves a character. That's why it has included as chimpanzee. The caption must be short, punchy, viral friendly, include one relevant emoji. You got the idea. Okay, all the hashtags, lower cases, clearly described, and everything is there, output formatted. Okay, so here I have run it. So it is connected to the ChatGPT. Okay, it is connected to the 4.1 model of the ChatGPT. You can use any other model, but I prefer you go with this and output phraser as we wanted the output in 30 JSON format. Okay, so this is our caption, idea, environment, and status. Okay, status means if it is done or not. Environment is the prompt environment, and we needed to update the Google Sheet on the basis of all the information that we have gotten through our AI agent, right? Okay. Okay, so Google Sheets, I have connected my Google Sheet account into this. It's very easy. You just need to add a credential, connect to your Google Sheet. It's as simple as that. And then resources, and you can connect your using your URL from list or using the ID. You can just go onto your Google Sheets and copy paste your URL and then paste it here. From sheet, like if it's sheet one, sheet two, wherever you wanted to save the data, and the values to be matched to you have to be like you can match with the ID and any of the things. But we are getting the idea and the caption, the production environment prompt, as you can see here. So that's why we are using this to fill the fields. Okay, caption, idea, production, environment prompt. It has filled all of that. Okay. After this, we are going to create a prompt. The first one is to create an idea, and the second one is to create a prompt. Okay, this is a JSON idea that we have just provided, and this is the environment. Okay, so that's why we have also saved the idea. So let's look into the prompt. The system prompts for Google VO3 prompt agent. You are an AI agent that writes hyper-realistic cinematic video prompt for Google VO3. Okay, each prompt should describe a short, vivid selfie-style video clip featuring one unnamed character speaking or acting in a specific moment. Like we have taken the chimpanzee and it's holding the camera or selfie stick and it's saying something fascinating to us. Okay, so that is like what people enjoy listening to, like footage of a documentary system, film, grounded, realistic, and impressive. It's very realistic because it has the sun in the background that have made it so realistic, the rays and everything. And here we have described about it. Okay, required structure and rules for prompt generation. If you wanted, I can just give you the JSON for this in the comment. If you comment in this video, like, yeah, agent, then I should just give you into this. Okay, I will just spin that into the resources and comments. Okay, so that is the most important thing when you are making an AI agent, when you're training an AI agent, means specific things. What you need to do is something else, but what you don't need to do, the AI agent thinks that that shouldn't do. So we also should include that. Do not do this. Don't name the character. Okay, don't include more than one character. Don't describe subtitles or on-screen text. Why it is written? Because when we it makes the prompt, okay, and then it goes to VO3, the video has to be very clear, realistic, and it will be able to, like, we will be able to upload it to social media. Okay, it will not be like some video which has me but we cannot be able to update it. It should be realistic. I've again used my LLM model, that is the 4.1. Okay, the second part of the video or this agent includes create video using VO3. I know you must have heard of VO3. It's a model that we uses to make videos using giving the prompt. It can be text to video or, yeah, a lot of things. Let me show you the platform. Okay, so this is how it looks. Um, hmm, I think you got an idea. Okay, so here we need to send the request from Anytime, and it will be like the prompt, everything comes, and here we need to make a video. Okay, here you can take the API key, and most of the time you do not need to add headers again and again. That's why we made separate header for this. Let me show you how. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so first thing, that call VO3 API to generate video one. Because firstly, we need to generate a video, then we need to wait for the 5 minutes to process the video to have the proper quality and audio. And then after that, we are going to give the URL. Okay. So here we are posting, and this URL that you need to use authenticity will be generic credential type and header account. So this is what you need to connect. Okay. You need to add your authorization name, value, the API key, and access that you have. Okay. Then send body raw application JSON. The body has to be the output and bouncing one, and the batch interval will be 2000 milliseconds. Okay. So this is the status. It has to be in queue. In queue means it is successfully done. The video is successfully made and you can implement it. After that, I've added a wait note because most of the time it takes approx 5 minutes to build a video which is like good in quality in terms of audio, in terms of video quality, and so yeah, there's I've set the wait time as 5 minutes, and after that we are getting the URL of that particular video. Okay, then because we wanted every of the data to be saved inside our Google Sheets, it's not going to be like we will be looking into it again and again. Okay, so this is retrieval final video URL from VO3. I've again used this. Okay, Fale VO3 request, and just as a JSON request ID that I've gotten from this. We're not able to see, I think. Um, Okay, so this is a request ID that you need to put on in the URL section. Okay, then authenticity generic header, again we have used it. That was I was talking about. You need to connect credential. It would be more easy. Otherwise, you need to connect it multiple times. Okay, and this can be all of we need. We don't need query parameters, or we do not need the body. We just need the URL. Then we are just updating the row. You need to add your URL list from list and which mapping column which you wanted to uh, match to fill it the values like the URL. You need to match the idea. You can match the idea because idea will be same. So that particular idea, that particular URL. Okay, so it's very basic. Okay, so get my video. So these are the things. After that, we are going to go and we are going to publish video to social media platforms. Okay, so for that you need to Potato API key. Okay, you can use other platform also. So we are getting the video. After that, we are assigning the social media IDs. Okay, we are assigning the IDs such as this, and it's very simple. Upload video to Potato. Okay, so this is the URL, the factors. You need to add your API key here. Okay, you need to buy the API key and then you need to apply it there, and the final output will be here. I will make you understand. Okay, so here we have assigning the social media IDs. After assigning it, we are going to upload that to Potato. And when we upload it to the Potato, then it will post accordingly, like to the Instagram, to the Facebook, to the LinkedIn, to the Blue Sky, Pinterest, Threads, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. These are all separate, okay? These are not connected, okay? So after to Potato, you just need to connect all of these. And yeah, and then we are going to update it to Google Sheet that yeah, we have like posted all of this to the all the platforms, okay? Here we needed a API key here, and this is the JSON. So I think it's very easy because this part is like a very easy part. So I hope that you have gotten the value from this automation, and you can also pitch this automation. It's a very good automation. It's very good of a value because if someone is wanted to make YouTube videos of a certain type of products, like they do not want specifically include their faces, then this is a good option for them, and it's going to be automated, so it's going to get consistent. So I think that's it for my today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video, what you want to see next, and I will be happy to provide you with anything, like if you wanted about how to do outreach and anything about it. Okay, so yeah, thank you.